You are now watching Mad Labs TV.
Man, you now watching Mad Labs TV.
How long it took you to grow your shit, Edo? Check me out, Edo. I'm out here, nigga.
Got that fucking soul glow, nigga.
Soul glow, man. I got that shit. Gonna be hitting the store near you. Shit, grow your shit in 2 days, nigga. It went from a baldy to this. Fuck they talking about?
Right, you don't even need the pick.
We don't need no pick. We going in natural.
Changes, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Changes and shit.
Yo, bro, let them know where we at, man. Where we at?
This is Machete King, you know what I'm saying? Admiral in Chief of the motherfucking Have Nuts music group. Shout outs to the troops, you know what I'm saying? We in the Have Nuts headquarters, you know what I'm saying?
Exactly.
I'm live and direct, you know what I mean? We here working on Murderville, Ace Spitz Dollar Rise.
Uh-huh.
You know what I mean? You Google them cats and you see all the material and all the work that they put in, man. These cats are animals and they're putting a project together, and I'm having the fucking honor of making this shit sound.
Well, don't exclude yourself, because you doing a lot of hard work yourself, too, because you're an animal with this thing, too. You one of the best I've ever seen do it, so.
Nigga, you know what I'm talking about? Double C's for life. You know what I'm saying? The fat guy about to drop some shit. Hard, you know what I'm talking about? It's our turn, man. I'm a little fried, nigga. I smoke that good greenery. Ace, you ain't got no more of that.
Yeah.
We the fuck out here, man. Fuck they. Hold on, the fat guy, hold on. It's my shuffle, nigga. You see me doing that, I probably fucked your bitch. What you talking about?
Wait. Is that the money dance? Is that the money dance?
The money,
Oh shit, son.
the fuck out here, nigga. The fat guy, nigga's only one man to a casket, no one man about a crew. Fuck they talking about? You know what I'm talking about? Alright, man. My look basis is a virtue. Mess with Fatso asshole, then I have to murder you. Man, Ace me in the studio, we blazing purple. All these niggas talk shit, stomp them out in work boots. Fresh white tee, the south side. I'm from where niggas hit you indoor, outside. Get smoked up, play the cut from rock side. Let them shots fly, homie, I will not die. Freestyle, I don't use a pen, and niggas talk that bullshit. Let's do the music, friend. If it comes down to bar for bar, I'm a star. You niggas ain't up to par, you just stuck in the bar, taking shots of that yak. Me and my nigga Ace, we getting it on the track, we spitting it. Everything, listen. Fatso asshole, me and my bros. Nigga, what you talking about? We need that Amber Rose. Yeah, that white shit. Catch me on the night shift. Watching for the cops, they be coming with the nightsticks. You know I'm from South Philly, yeah, the shysters. Everywhere across the globe, they don't like this. Niggas said I fell off, I turned righteous. Still hit you with the left, that right, just or that right might just let you laid out. Niggas see that big crib, I need that suede couch. All that hating and debating shit is played. Niggas know I let that 40 take your fade. Yeah, fade out. Nigga chill with the rat. Nigga play the front, you niggas chill in the back. Bull fat, so nigga, you done met your match. Niggas know we tracing them. Action sketch your cat. You don't know.
Yeah, with a full clip, these niggas think they riding, so I pop them like a bull whip. 2 bumps, nigga, that's the click that I roll with. We drop the new hit. Niggas still rock the old shit. Hold it. Watch Ace pull up in some old shit. That old school caddy oust out on some bro shit. These niggas gon' hate, so they laid up in that mold stiff. Empty out the clip, chasing him with some more shit. More clips, more spit, these rap niggas boring. Ace got the punches in the hooks, call me Foreman. Fuck talking it out, I'm sparking it out. Feet on the leg, nigga put 3 in his head. Nigga snitching nowadays, putting lead to the feds. One shot, that nigga rock like he sleeping in bed. Like a bird, I'm so fly, creeping for bread. Or I can hog him or shoot him with the heat instead.
What I tell them bitches like, stop calling me, you getting no cheddar. Yeah. But when you come here, make sure that pussy getting wetter. Like, fuck him, then I flee him. I wouldn't want to be him, shit. Never raw dog, you can never be my BM. And do anything if your will is European. These bitches ain't shit.
I don't even levitate when I stand up, or rather when I stand up, nigga, I'm really levitating.
I keep my eyes closed so I see you hating. Y'all niggas don't understand. I speak to Satan that's behind your back, patting you and talking in your ear, telling you to try to splatter dudes. I run with God and my squad's very strong. We're always right, all of y'all are all wrong. It's that fucking simple. But wait, let me dip on you.
Whoa, let me see it. Let me see it. Let me see it.
I ain't gotta do much, y'all doing too much. Y'all niggas need to understand we are too tough, we just too smooth, we just too cool. Y'all motherfuckers step up and get too through. Cause we put niggas in fucking hospitals. We come through. Hospitals. I'm trying to tell you, ambulances, the motherfucking cops get calls, increase the chances of you getting murdered because witnesses laying alive is unheard of. Do you not understand what we giving you? Real code of the street shit. Listen, fool, y'all niggas ain't wise enough. Y'all niggas tough guys too tough. Y'all niggas don't understand. I'm a grown ass man. Y'all niggas sizing up. Stupid move. Bad. Stupid for you. I promise you, man. Poof. Food. That's what happens. You come through bringing beef, thinking this motherfucker's just rapping. Decapitating, cutting you at your motherfucking throat for hating. That's just the way that I'm relating. Machete King 8 up and pop up and trying to mention and get all these motherfuckers like it's suspended. Or rather